Hello, my name is Dan Dow, your instructor for your IMED 1416.82301 Web Design 1 for spring of 2025. This is the flex term that starts on March the 24th, 2025, ends on May the 15th, Thursday, last day of class. This is an 8 weeks class. So a 16 weeks class, which is 96 hours, spread out 6 hours per week. Multiply that 16 weeks, you get 96 hours. So the same expectation is done now. You have to put in 12 hours a week for 8 weeks. If you take 12 times 8, that will be an equivalent of 96 hours as well. So let me walk you through. This is the eCampus shell that you are logged in right now with it. And what I'd like for you to do is we're going to start with the syllabus, the syllabi right here with it. And once you get the syllabi open, let me go over the syllabi with you, line by line with it, and the important information. I'm not going to read everything to you with it. This is my email. I'm a full-time faculty. This is my office number. I'm at Richland campus. This is my office phone number with it as well. Again, this class is online. It's asynchronous with it, which means that we don't have to meet and live with it. So everything is asynchronous, means that you watch the video, you do the instruction on your own, and you submit the assignments with it. Any questions that you have, I'll be glad to meet with you. Virtual meeting, if we can't resolve any through virtual meeting with it, then we can meet face to face on campus anytime that accommodates you during my office hours. I do have office hours Monday through Friday from 1 to 1:30, and I have different hours with it. It's based on appointments only, so please let me know if you'd like to meet. I'll set up a meeting for us with it as well. Excuse me. Take a look at the course information. Everything's online. Lecture lab is online. What's important here is the withdrawal date here. You have until May the 1st to withdraw after May the 1st, 2025, and I have to give you a performance grade. That's A, B, C, D, or F. If you withdraw before April the 1st with it, and this course will never exist in your transcript. If you withdraw between April the 1st and between May the 1st with it, you'll get a W on your transcript, okay? So I'll let you read through the course description, learning outcomes with it. There is no material requirement because everything I teach relates to industry standards with it. So what I do in industry, I teach in the classroom. So there isn't a textbook that will teach you how to do this with it. So I'm your best resource. There's no tutor that can help you do what I do with it. So I teach everything through industry experience with it and bring it into the classroom with it as well. So again, make sure that you have internet access for this class. You do need, if you plan to connect with me, you do need to have microphones, speakers, headsets, and online to communicate with me. The other piece is that I know this bad weather has passed with it, but there's a lot of inclement days, such as we've been experiencing as power outage or anything that approaches with it as well. So that's the type of stuff that that you have to watch your emails and announcements for the course with as well. You will need a computer for this, meaning a desktop or a laptop or a workstation. Not a netbook, not a tablet. You need an operating system with this. And I'm going to provide for you a virtual desktop for you to use. So all my instructions are through virtual desktops with it, through the Dallas College Virtual Desktop. Matter of fact, the first assignment that you will be using is to make sure you are able to connect to the virtual desktop and to the OneDrive. So everything's included in this course right now. It doesn't cost you anything. You pay for your tuition. That's it. So again, no Android tablets and iPad. It just makes it very difficult to teach file structure in an iPad when they don't demonstrate file structure in iPad. So everything is through the virtual desktop, the Dallas College Virtual Desktop, and the OneDrive that you're going to store in the cloud with it as well. The breakdown for the class discussion, I will everything. Okay, before I get started on this with it, everything that you see here is due May the 15th, the last day. However, the calendar that I will show you, when you do this and you give me back the assignments early enough, and if you mess up, I will give it back to you and you would make corrections and you redo the assignment with it, you will get a better grade. However, if you wait until the last week of class and try to complete like all 6 or 7 of these modules and try and submit it to me with it, we don't have time for you to do corrections. Does that make sense? So it's best that you stay on par for this class with it. Like I said, all the quizzes, quiz 1, quiz 2, are basically, and all the exams, midterm and final exam, are all multiple choice with it. So when you finish this exam and with it, you can wait and, like I said, stay on par with the calendar that I suggested with you as well. Everything is set to May the 15th, midnight is the cutoff for this, including all the discussion boards as well. Okay, so these are the breakdown and how I weigh things on here with it. 10%, 5%, all of these should add up to 100% when you do your exams in here as well with it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, yeah. Yeah, I rephrased this for here because there's quiz 1 and 2, they're 5%, but the total amount is actually 10% with it. So you take 10, 10, 10, that's 30, plus the 60 here, that's 90, and then exams for the midterms and the finals in here as well. So I kind of gave you 110% here if you look at it with it, right? Yeah, 105% is what I gave. So there's already the maximum grade you can make for this class is 105% is my point here. Okay. Again, I use a point system that breaks it down with it. I'm already giving you a little heads up on a 5-point curve already with it. Again, all these are all suggestive dates that you would actually need to stay on par with this. All right, everything is open, everything's released. If you decide one day and you want to blast through this and don't sleep anything with it, more power to you with it. All the due dates are open. I'm going to open up the due dates as this thing's evolve with it. The reason is people tend to actually submit the wrong assignment and I have to go in and clear it with it. So make sure you upload the right assignments for me when you do this for me, okay? So again, note, all assignments are due. Modules, discussion boards, quizzes, exams are due on the last day at midnight. 15 is the last day. So stay on par for me, okay? These are the dates. So the way how you read this is Module 1's release. It's due next Tuesday. Module 2, get in, do Module 2 a week, do the following week with it. Module 3's release, do the following week with it, so on and so on. Discussion board 1 is due, discussion board 2, discussion board 3, discussion board 4. Please note, all the discussion boards are video based, so please do not type or write anything. I want you to be comfortable enough. This is post-COVID era that you need to get in and be able to do interviews with employers out there who want to do recordings of you, that how you talk and how you present online, so they can screen you and interview you with it as well. I'm trying to get a lot of you guys out of the comfort zone in front of the camera as much as possible. Once you record a 2-3 minutes with it, upload that to YouTube, grab that link, post that in the discussion board, or I'm about to show you right now. All right. All the quizzes are open with it. Again, they're multiple choice. Quiz 1 is predominantly, it's a giveaway over the syllabi and a couple of things I talked about Module 2s with it. But other than that, very straightforward. I mean, you really have to try to fail my class here. Okay. So that's about it with it. Read through this. This is a fun class. I want you to have a good time learning this, though, and I want you to be successful too. So feel free to reach out to me for any questions that I can help you with. This material is not hard. What's hard about this material is the amount of information. So if you put the time into this, plan about 5 to 6 hours a week, at least. Now, in addition to 4 hours, because you sign up for a flex class, that's about 10 hours to 12 hours a week to complete the assignments in here. All right. So again, please stay on par and don't lose sight of it. So this segues me into this next assignment is the Module 1. This is how you start here with it. So I have virtual meeting. If every time you want to meet, this is where you want to do. You want to start here. I want you to go in basically with it and click on a couple of these links. Oh, no, don't watch this. No, don't do this. This is not you. Don't do this one. Go to talk about here's step 2. I want you to be able to you go to module 1. Ignore all that. And here, go module 1. This is persona with it. So please read me if you can click on that with it. And I tell you instructions, and I have what's called virtual desktop that Dallas College provide me. So if you're working on a Mac or a different operating system with it, this operating system is free. Click on this link right here, and it will show you how to connect in a web browser to the virtual desktop. All right. Your first assignments basically is to connect to a virtual desktop that you're going to do through a browser, and you're going to take a screenshot of it and you're going to paste it into module 1. All right. So that's module 1. Click on this right here, and then you click on the download. I always like to download everything in my download folder, and here it is, this file right here. Right. I already have it. To copy it. And I need for you to watch the video and create your file structure like I asked you to. Okay. Well, first of all, download this file right here, which is this file I have right here. And please note, let me move this over here with it. You are enrolled in this course right here, so you will only do test A and B. A and B. Here's test A. Watch this video. Watch, link to this OneDrive, connect to this, watch this video, copy and paste what I asked for you to do right here for me. All right. So you got to use your snipping tool with it, right? How do I use a snipping tool? If I went over to my search bar with it, I'm using Windows 10, if I type in snipping, and it's this tool right here. So use your snipping tool like exactly what I would do for, you can take a screenshot of whatever you need to do and paste it in here for me. Cool? So watch the videos with it. I have instruction that your task is only for this course is only completing this right here. That's all I ask. Cool? With it. So follow along, you all the way down here too as well. So take a screenshot of the DOS environment, take a screenshot of the Windows with it. You're supposed to create 10 directories like I asked you to do here. Module 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With an M, exactly naming the file I asked you. Don't put any lowercase spaces. Exactly what I have here with it as well. All right, I've gone over too much with the page with it. Once you download this file, move this file into module 1 and save this file here and put your name on it. Follow the instructions that I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Follow this video instruction. Cool? All right, this has gone on too long with it, so I'm going to shut off the video right now. This concludes the welcome message and module 1 assignments in here.